very much, Secretary Kyriazis, for that great opening, and I think a great testament to the strengths of the Greek network and its success so far. It now gives me great pleasure to invite Panos Vardas to give us some opening words. Panos, I think, is known to all of us as one of the leading cardiologists of his generation, and has had many clinical and academic leadership roles during his career, but perhaps the most important was as the president of the European Society of Cardiology. He continues to influence the future of cardiovascular medicine in Europe in many different ways, currently through the ESC agency in Brussels, amongst other methods. But I've known him for several years, and have grown to admire his vision, his passion for change, and this evening to welcome him here as chairman of the Supervisory Committee for the Greek Network. So Panos, it's a great pleasure to invite you here to speak to us this evening.
Thank you very much indeed, Professor Perry Elliott, for your very kind words. Esteemed colleagues, Mr. Greek General Secretary of Research and Innovation, Professor Kyriazis. It's really, as I said, a great privilege for me to be present and to address this Congress. It is well known that this event is organized under the auspice and the organization of the International Conference and International Network of Cardiomyopathies in Greece, and also under the auspice of the International Network of Cardiomyopathies. So please allow me to say a few words regarding our Greek network of cardiomyopathies and sudden cardiac death in young persons. This network was established on July 2019 as a collective effort between public and university hospitals and specialists working in this field. Dr. Anastasakis, Aris Anastasakis, was the pivotal figure of this idea and in this activity. Nowadays, as the Secretary of Research and Innovation, Professor Kyriazis, said, these days, this network is involving the majority of the well-known hospitals in our country. Indeed, our effort is quite efficacious and quite ambitious. So far, we have enrolled, as I said, significant figures of the Greek cardiovascular community working in cardiomyopathies and sudden cardiac death. We have already tangible deliverables related to this project, and much more importantly, we are looking how to enhance our international collaboration and activities with the international community. In this case, the participation of the International Network of Cardiomyopathies under the governance of Professor Elliott, a renowned cardiologist in the UK, but also internationally, and very active participant in the European Society of Cardiology activities and chairman of the European Society of Cardiology Academy, with his presence and the international network presence, we believe that the Greek network will be much more effective, much more known, and to a significant degree, we are planning much more properly our activities. I would like to stop here, but just to emphasize how much important it is for us, the Greek cardiologists, but also for the patients, especially the young patients, and for all those who are possibly could be victims of a sudden cardiac death, how much important is the continuity and the surveillance of this network, the Greek network of cardiomyopathies. From our side, be sure that we are going to do our best to continue this prosperous effort. And in this effort, as I said again, I would like to have all of you close with us, working together for this marvelous task and effort. Thank you very much indeed for your presence here in this conference.